Welcome to Delta Hustle. See, crude oil option. This is called option. Okay. So any option we are doing, find out the open price. Open price above only we need to trade. Otherwise, most cases we will incur loss. But we can take reversals and trade with the Frvp. And this is the open price for the day. Correct? And we need to find the mark the resistance of high volume candles, high volume sell candles. We are buying option. Shorting, I will explain it later. Just opposite. Okay. And this is the first candle having very decent volume. This volume is 2950, but some sort of buying is here. So consider this candle as the base candle. This is Wednesday's candle. Now, for the time being, it is important, but don't consider. And this candle resistance we have to mark. Okay. Then just keep on going down. When some 1-2 hours happening, don't trade before 4:30 at least. Okay. So this is the base resistance. Then another sell candle you have to take with some good volumes. And this is the candle. And this candle having 668 only. This is more than 1200. Okay, if this candle also, if you mark, it will come around here only. Anyway, we will mark it. Yeah, it's more or less a range we got. And this is a very good candle having 1200 volume. And fresh open interest also increased. Shorting has been happened over here. So it's a very important candle. Okay, the resistance is here. Then for the reversal trade, we need to find the high volume green candle. And this is the candle, first green candle formed. And this is some very good amount of volume traded with a Paka green candle, correct? So we need to find the support of this candle. And when we are buying, taking a long position at this level, we need to find the volume point of control of the preceding 4-5 red candles also. Okay, here it comes. And the level is here 191. 191 is the base resistance. And this candle closed above it. But we need to buy here. And your stop loss will be here or here. Since it is the first buy now, better put it here. Here also no problem. We will get a lot of trades in a day. Okay. So this level is very crucial for the day, the whole day. Okay. And we will remove this. And here we ended the long position. And here is the stop loss. And our target will be first candle resistance maximum. And here you have to exit since it is trading below open price. The next trade, no problem. Next trade we can take above this level. Okay. So near to this here, you have to exit around 216. You ended at what price? 196. some 20 points you will get. Now it is around 11, 12 points moved up. And this way we can do lot of trades in a day. After 7:30, you can change this into 5 minutes. Till then, you have to do it in 50 minutes only. You see, once this candle got a long position over here, see the support never broken and closed below. But in any candle, any red candle, close below this level, close basis. Then we have to exit also. Okay. Then next volume candle is this. And we need to find the support of this candle. Yeah, it is here. This is the second candle, no? Don't take position here. First instance, you take the position. If you book profit at 195 and 208, you will get 13 points, no? 13, 14 points here. 209 it came. And our entry price was 195, 196. 13 points gone up here. And if you take position, waiting for position here, you will never get it. So even in the unfavored option also, we got some 13 points as per the FRVP, fixed range volume profile. You got this idea, no? Then we will wait for some 5-10 minutes. See what happened next. This is the high volume candle, red candle, against which only we are competing. You see, normally our target will be from which candle we are competing. The same candle high comes, we have to exit. That is a rule. Okay. See, here exactly it came here. And this was an exiting point. This was the point of exit. I forgot to tell you. Okay. But what happened next? No, it hit it here and again came down to retest this exact support resistance of this particular candle. And this candle closed above and retested only this red candle resistance, leaving. And here we have to exit somewhere. And around 1300 points we got, no, from one load. 1300 is a very good profit. Now, which point is this? Open price is here only. This is call option. We can take put option also. Okay. Here we will get a clear buy in put option. We will check that. The same procedure. Okay. And this is the put option chart. This put option chart today opened here. Normally, we will make a trade only above the open price. But here, put and call were trading below open price. Don't trade in the first morning hours, no, when these candles are very small and small and small. Don't trade. We need candle size at least this. Okay. From this time onwards, 11:45 onwards, at least some movement happened. And this is a 50 minutes chart. After 7:30 p.m., you can trade with a 5 minutes chart. And in this process, we need to find out high volume candles resistance or support. In a red candle, there is a resistance. The first candle resistance and support is very, very crucial. And here, the first candle we will take. And that is very important for subsequent trades. See, no candle has traded closed above this level. But above the open price, this candle closed. And this candle also closed. From there, a U-turn here. Suppose if a trader trades with this OHLC rule, sometimes he may be trapped here. And if you have FRVP, fixed range volume profile, then nothing to bother. And it's a technique. This for intraday purpose only, no? Up to 7:30 p.m. trade it in, or at least 6 o'clock. 15 minutes. Then thereafter you can change to 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you can do some 10, 12 points trade, 10, 15 trades you can do in a day. Take only trending option means an option which trades above open price. Okay. Now we are going against the rule. And this is the candle where maximum volume traded after the first candle. The first candle always have huge volume. Then we have to find out the red candle having highest volume after that. And this is the candle. And this candle, we are competing with this candle. We are option buyers, no? We are competing with this candle. So we need a resistance for it. Here is the resistance. What we need is, before coming to this green candle only, we put this resistance. We need a candle with a good volume. If it is more than 630 contracts, very good. Otherwise, comparing to preceding candle, should have some double quantity, something like that. 1.5 times, like that. And here, you see, unlike these two red candles, here some sort of buying is there. Here also some buying is. So we need to find out the overall volume POC of these three candles. And it is here. And it is the first candle volume POC is here. And these three candles volume profile is 191.6. Okay. And this candle closed above it. And we need to find out the support of this candle. Okay. It is there. And see what happened? This top also closed. The high point of the red candle also closed. So it is a very good time to buy. See, if we buy at 199, 200 level, it has gone up to 219. 219 is which one? You know that? It's Wednesday. Now. And the 201, this 201 is the morning candle resistance. Once that is taken out with this candle, with a double volume, see it has come down to its support. Near to the support, it came down. And around this level, we can re-enter again. So far, this has closed above the first candle resistance, no? And these three candles tried to close, but failed. And this candle has closed above. Then we can wait for further return. Our entry was somewhere here at 199, and it has gone up to 224. Okay, good. And this resistance is very important. Once a candle closes below this level with a good volume, then again it may go down very fast. And this candle has closed below. See what is the resistance of this candle? Here. And here we will go for a short. And this will be your stop loss or this. Otherwise, you need a candle having increased open interest, red candle. Fresh sorting happened to you. 651,000 is the open interest. Open interest increased with the red candle in 50 minutes chart. No? So we can short from here. Okay. Since it is the first shorting position of the day, the high point of the day should be the stop loss. Okay. So if we short from here, we got a buy here, some 20 points, and here a short at 214, now trading at 214 points. And in this way, we can trade in these options, no? And this is for options only. Futures is different thing. Okay, forget about this data and all. You need FRVP. FRVP, I think it is available in trading view also. I am doing with the Go charting. No? Go charting soft. Very good, excellent soft. Okay. Subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, fellow traders, and comment your opinion on this video. I am waiting for that. And we are providing videos, pre-recorded videos, no, live videos, so that nothing we are hiding nothing, and we need some practice and further information to trade in this way. There is nothing in it. You need some practice, and this is the call option, no. See, this is the resistance, and once this is taken out, it will shoot up. It will go to here, and here some resistances are there. These are volumes. Market is all about volumes only. All right. I will come up with more videos. You want to see how this food futures working? That we will, I will post later. Okay. Subscribe our channel and share it with your friends or relatives so that they will also aware of this. No, the small traders, no, don't worry about all these things. These are all not big things. And pre-recorded videos of these tutorials are available with so many live examples. Contact me at this number. Only 9.99 is there for crude oil and other commodity things. And in equity, everything is different thing. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good trading day. Thank you.